This is my presentation on the final round of SOI Student of the Year 2022. My aim of life, my life goal. This presentation is about on life goal, my life goal, and I am going to discuss throughout the session. My life's aim is to be a successful businessman. When I was in fifth and sixth grade, I used to think that I would be an artist in future, but later on, I started thinking that I should develop some product from waste material. I did a lot of research thinking which study line area can I go to achieve this goal. I came to know that I should go to a business line to achieve my goal. What is my goal? My goal is to develop a product based on a waste material. We know about the three R's, that is reduce, reuse and recycle. I want to appear in many competition associated with the three R's. There are many ideas I learned from these competitions, and I also gave few ideas in these competitions. I learned many ideas from internet also, and used few of them in my house also. Then I thought, why not to these ideas as a well developed product and introduce it. My research on my goal. Waste produced globally. According to World Bank, our waste production is predicted to rise by 70% by 2050 unless we take urgent actions. Human mankind currently produces 2 billion tons of waste per year between 7.6 billion people. Population increases may be part of the problem, but its level of consumption within a handful of developed nations and their gross mismanagement of waste that have led to this environmental catastrophe. The United States is the biggest generator of waste per capita worldwide, with each citizen producing an average of 808 kilograms per year, almost a ton, and more than double that of citizens of Japan. However, as the World Global Waste Index highlights, it's not just the generation of waste that will threaten our planet in the upcoming decades, but the way we choose to manage it. The Globe Waste Index offers a comprehensive breakdown of the most environmental friendly methods of waste management. It ranks the 36 countries within the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development according to how effectively they manage their waste per capita. If we talk about our nation, India, in India, India produces 277 million tons of municipal solid waste every year. According to a 2016 estimate, that's more than 80% of the 334 million tons of waste generated across South Asia and about 13% of the global waste generated every year. This is some pictures related to the waste produced globally around the world. How to manage this waste? There are basically four ways to do this at least: recycling, composting, reusing, anaerobic digestion. The first and the most obvious way is recycling, and this idea strikes me first when I thought to develop a product based on waste material. Every year, people all over the world are producing a shocking amount of trash. Through most of it can be recycled or composted, the majority is still dumped in landfills. Only about 13% is recycled on the global level. Of the 8.3 billion metric tons of waste that has been produced, 6.3 billion metric tons has become plastic waste. Of that, only 9% has been recycled. The vast majority, 79%, is accumulated in landfills or slugging off in the natural environment as litter. Recycling. Recycling is the process of converting waste materials into new materials and objects. How is it useful? Recycling reduces the need for extracting, mining, quarrying, and logging, refining and processing raw materials. All of these creates sustainable air and water pollution. As recycling saves energy, it also reduces greenhouse gas emissions, which helps to tackle climate change. Recycling reduces the need to harvest or extract new raw materials from the earth. That is turn reduces the harmful disruption and damage being done to the natural world, which means fewer forests cut down, rivers diverted, wild animals harmed or displaced, and less pollution. The business idea upcycling. Upcycling, also known as creative reuse, is the process of transforming byproducts, waste materials, useless or unwanted products into new materials or products perceived to be of great quality, such as artistic value or environmental value. Upcycling involves taking waste materials and giving them a new life. Think about all the money you will save by using items you were going to get rid of rather than buying materials. Using waste materials and selling the results reduces landfills and saves your money. Profit in upcycling. There is much value in waste. The environmental and social gains are truly remarkable. For example, 1 ton of recycled paper saves approximately 17 trees, 2.5 barrels of oil, 4,100 kilo, kilowatt hour of electricity, 4 cum of landfill, and 31,780 liters of water over production of virgin paper from wood. The global scrap market has been growing and is expected to increase to $406 billion in 2022 and from $227 billion in 2025. Bigger benefits arise as recycling value chain is typically more labor intensive. It can potentially generate 6 to 8 times more jobs than by landfill or inclination activities of waste. As an example, the US scrap industry generated over 150,000 direct jobs and 323,000 indirect jobs in 2015, according to Institute of Scrap Recycling Industry USA. The recycling rates in China. In China, the recycling industry created 1.5 million direct jobs and about 10 million indirect jobs. In India, the metal recycling sector currently employs nearly 1.75 million people and contributes around 2% to GDP. For India, recycling has the potential to create 6 times more jobs and generate about 14 lakhs crore of additional cost saving by 2030, which is approximately 11% of our annual GDP. While India provides a tremendous potential for reuse and recycling of products, there is a felt need for a more comprehensive policy and regulatory simplification aiming at a formal ecosystem and ease of doing business for recyclers. This includes removing barriers for the input factors, establishing a marketplace for scrap and recycled products, promoting public procurement, and enhancing overall consumers' awareness. How my business idea help my country and the community. If my business idea will get success in future, it will help in the GDP of my country by selling the developed product all over the world. It will make more job offers and will help in decreasing the unemployment by providing jobs to the unemployed. It will help in decreasing the use of foreign products which are made of the upcycled products because the products are of high price in India. There are several ways in this idea of upcycling which can help my country's growth, but right now I found three of them. Thanks for watching my presentation. Thank you. Thank you all.